for naughty by nature. Hooray, afraid of what I made and played and plus a funky fit. So say you flips and tricks for that music in the monkey bit. Triggers from the good town, ill town. Some apps how it feels now. Fidellas that were real, so we still around. The lamb with a freestyle phantom ain't trying to be handsome. Tricking what you're thinking, cause I'm vamping. I live in top of hip hop. This is hip hop of today. I give props to hip hop, so hip hop hooray. Cause she's hot as a baker, cause I'm naughty by nature, not cause I hate you. You put your heart in the part of a part that spreads apart and forgot that I forgave when you had a spark. You try to act like something really big is missing, even though my name's graffiti written on your kitten. I love black women always, and disrespect ain't the way. Let's start our family today. Hip hop, hooray! Today, so what you heard, cause I ain't belling no hay, ain't chopping no crop, but still growing every day. It's a thunder sound from the wonders found from the underground town, down the hill, feel how little town, drown smiles to frowns, snatch your crowns from clowns, beat downs, a found on me, don't come around. Tippy paws, since I'm creeping up, I eat them up, their styles are older than loose roars. Peace to this one and that one and then, that's why I shout out. And I didn't miss one friend. Fools get foolish, neither them or Parker Lewis Lewis. You could have crews and shoes and can't step to us. Some kitties start now call me Sir too, looking for her crew. Any trick that this gets a curfew. I put on projects for boots, step through troops and leave proof. My problem solver name is Boot. I'm hitting woodies in a hoodie. Peace to Josette, Joe Bet, JoJo, Janae, and every hood G. That's right, my fight is ill. Peace like the LONS in Quest, nice and smooth and Cypress Hill. I live and die for hip hop, this is hip hop of the day. I get props